everyone, and welcome to the Science of Motivation in LifeBliss YouTube channel. Today, we will be diving into the overcoming procrastination, strategies for getting started on tasks, even when we feel unmotivated. Have you ever had a project to complete or a task to do, but just couldn't seem to get started? You're not alone. Procrastination is a common problem that affects many people, but it can be especially challenging when you're feeling unmotivated. Maybe you're worried about failing, feeling overwhelmed, or just can't seem to get into the right headspace. Whatever the reason, procrastination can prevent you from achieving your goals and can lead to stress, anxiety, and frustration. But the good news is that procrastination is not an insurmountable challenge. In this video, we'll be discussing specific strategies and tips that you can use to overcome procrastination and get things done. We'll explore why we procrastinate and how to break the cycle, as well as practical solutions that you can use to motivate yourself to take action, even when you're feeling unmotivated. And before we start, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. Section 1. Understanding procrastination. Procrastination is a common phenomenon that affects many people, and it can manifest in different ways. Let's explore the root causes of procrastination and why it's so difficult to overcome. 1. Fear of failure. Fear of failure is one of the most common reasons why we procrastinate. We might avoid starting a task or project because we're worried that we won't be able to do it well, or that we'll make mistakes. According to Dr. Piers Steele, a psychologist and author of the procrastination equation, the primary driver behind procrastination is not laziness, but self-doubt. 2. Lack of motivation. Another reason why we procrastinate is a lack of motivation. We might feel apathetic or disinterested in the task, and as a result, we put it off. According to Dr. Mary Lania, a clinical psychologist and author of What Motivates Getting Things Done, when we lack motivation, we tend to avoid tasks that require effort or that we perceive as uninteresting. 3. Overwhelm. Procrastination can also be a result of feeling overwhelmed by a task or project. When we perceive a task as too difficult or complex, we may avoid starting it altogether. According to Dr. Barbara Oakley, a professor of engineering and author of A Mind for Numbers, when a task seems overwhelming, it can trigger the amygdala, the part of the brain that processes fear, and make us want to avoid it. 4. Perfectionism. For some people, procrastination is linked to perfectionism. We might put off starting a task because we want it to be perfect, or we're worried about making mistakes. According to Dr. Thomas S. Greenspan, a psychologist and author of Moving Past Perfect, perfectionists often feel like they have to get everything right, and they can become immobilized by the fear of making a mistake. 5. Distractions. In today's world of constant distractions and interruptions, it can be difficult to focus on a task and avoid procrastination. We might be tempted to check our phones, browse social media, or engage in other activities instead of working on the task at hand. According to Cal Newport, a computer science professor and author of Deep Work, distractions can create a sense of urgency that makes us feel like we're being productive, but in reality, they just keep us from doing our best work. These are just a few examples of the root causes of procrastination and how they can manifest in different ways. By understanding the underlying reasons why we procrastinate, we can begin to take action to overcome it. In the next section, we'll explore specific strategies for overcoming procrastination and taking action, even when we're feeling unmotivated. Section 2. Strategies for overcoming procrastination. Now that we've explored the root causes of procrastination, let's dive into some specific strategies that you can use to overcome it. 1. Break tasks into small, manageable pieces. One effective strategy for overcoming procrastination is to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. According to Dr. David Allen, author of Getting Things Done, breaking tasks into smaller pieces can help to reduce overwhelm and make it easier to take action. By focusing on one small piece at a time, you can build momentum and make progress towards your larger goal. 2. Create a schedule or routine. Another effective strategy is to create a schedule or routine for completing tasks. This can help to establish a sense of structure and routine, and can make it easier to stay on track. According to James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, a schedule or routine can create a sense of momentum and help to make the process of completing a task feel more automatic. 3. Set specific, measurable goals. Setting specific, measurable goals can help to provide clarity and focus, and can make it easier to take action. According to Dr. Heidi Grant, a psychologist and author of 9 Things Successful People Do Differently, specific, measurable goals help to create a sense of direction and purpose, and can help to motivate us to take action. 4. Use the 5-minute rule. The 5-minute rule is a strategy for overcoming procrastination that involves committing to working on a task for just 5 minutes. According to Mel Robbins, the hardest part of any task is getting started, but by committing to just 5 minutes, we can overcome the initial resistance and build momentum towards completion. 5. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is an important strategy for overcoming procrastination. This can involve turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or finding a quiet place to work. According to Cal Newport, eliminating distractions can help to create a sense of focus and can make it easier to engage in deep work, which can lead to greater productivity and accomplishment. These are just a few examples of the strategies that you can use to overcome procrastination and take action towards your goals. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can break the cycle of procrastination and achieve greater success and fulfillment. Section 3. Overcoming procrastination mindset. In addition to specific strategies for overcoming procrastination, it's also important to cultivate a mindset that supports productivity and action. Here are some specific mindset shifts that can help to overcome procrastination. 1. Focus on progress, not perfection. One mindset shift that can help to overcome procrastination is to focus on progress, not perfection. According to James Clear, perfectionism can be a form of procrastination, as we wait for the perfect moment to take action. By focusing on progress instead, we can cultivate a growth mindset and make meaningful progress towards our goals. 2. Embrace failure as part of the process. Another mindset shift that can help to overcome procrastination is to embrace failure as part of the process. According to Brené Brown, a research professor and author of Daring Greatly, embracing vulnerability and failure can help to cultivate resilience and make it easier to take risks and try new things. 3. Focus on the present moment. Focusing on the present moment can help to overcome procrastination by reducing overwhelm and increasing mindfulness. According to Dr. Ellen Langer, a psychologist and author of mindfulness, by focusing on the present moment, we can reduce distractions and cultivate a sense of calm, which can make it easier to take action. 4. Recognize the value of self-compassion. Self-compassion is a mindset shift that involves treating yourself with kindness and understanding, even when you make mistakes or experience setbacks. According to Dr. Kristen Neff, a psychologist and author of Self-Compassion, by cultivating self-compassion, we can reduce feelings of self-doubt and anxiety, and increase our motivation and resilience. 5. Practice gratitude. Finally, practicing gratitude can be an effective mindset shift for overcoming procrastination. By focusing on the things that we're grateful for, we can cultivate a sense of positivity and optimism, which can make it easier to take action. According to Dr. Robert Emmons, a psychologist and author of Gratitude Works, practicing gratitude can increase our overall sense of well-being and make us more resilient in the face of challenges. These are just a few examples of the mindset shifts that can help to overcome procrastination and cultivate a productive, action-oriented mindset. By incorporating these mindset shifts into your daily routine, you can reduce procrastination and achieve greater success and fulfillment. In conclusion, procrastination is a common challenge, but it's not insurmountable. By using specific strategies and developing a mindset that supports action, you can overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. Remember to break tasks down into smaller pieces, create a realistic timeline, use productivity tools, set up a reward system, find an accountability partner, and practice a positive mindset. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on informative and inspiring. Until next time, stay motivated.